Welcome back to Jinju Flow. Today we'll be working on lower body flexibility, but to be flexible, you need strength as well. So we'll do a couple minutes of strength training and then go into it. Beginning with 3 breaths. Shrug your shoulders to your ears and take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears and exhale, drop it down. Inhale up, hold for a second, and exhale. Let it go. Now let's come onto our hands and knees. Place your hands shoulder width distance and your knees hip width distance. Spread your fingers wide and press into the earth. Drop the belly low, open through the chest and inhale. Exhale around the spine, push the earth away. Inhale, lift your chin up high and squeeze your armpits. Exhale, round the spine, lift through your navel. Keep going with your own breath. Going as fast or as slow as you'd like, deepening your breath and bringing your awareness into your body. Now come to a neutral spine. Tuck your toes under and then extend your left leg to the back. Begin bouncing on your left heel and find a stretch in your calf. Then hold your heel back, pushing the hands into the ground. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, lift your left leg up, keeping the toes pointed down and lifting through your navel. Then point and flex your foot. Now flex your left foot, then squeeze your heel into your glutes and extend the leg back and forth, focusing on the engagement of your hamstrings. Hold your leg extended now. Point your toes, bend your knee into your chest, step your foot between your hands. Coming into a low lunge here, drop the back foot. Find that stretch in your right thigh, keeping your left knee right above your left ankle. Option to press your hands into your knee and really press both feet into the ground. This will engage your inner thigh muscles to strengthen and stretch. Don't hold your breath. Breathe deeply. Exhale and soften your shoulders. Inhale good, positive energy. One more breath in. And exhale, place your right hand down, heel toe your left foot to the side, and press your left knee open with your hand. Breathe. Then release your left hand onto the ground, keeping your spine centered. Then really press your left pinky toe downwards and lift your big toe up. Option to add little movements side to side. Then inhale, circle your left arm to the back, twisting through your lower back here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, return your left arm back down. Option to grab for your blocks here, just for extra length underneath your hands. Then begin to walk your hands or blocks backwards as you extend your left leg and flex your foot. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, soften and fold over. Keep a slight engagement throughout your glutes and core. This posture really stretches out the entire back side of your leg, so we'll be here for a couple breaths. You don't need to go too far at first. Just find a nice angle that feels good and breathe into it. And then when it starts getting a little easier, go a little deeper. Deep breaths. So good. Rebend your left knee, then slide your left leg around to the back, coming to tabletop. Other side, tuck your toes under, extend your right leg to the back, and bounce on your heel. Then hold. Really press your hands away and feel the stretch in the calf. Then inhale, lift your right leg up, keeping your foot flexed, keeping your hips square. Flex and point your right foot. Now flex your foot and squeeze your heel to your glutes. Extend your leg back and forth, focusing on tightening your hamstring. Now extend the leg and point your toes. Then bend your knee into your chest and step it forward to the top. Drop the back foot and press both feet into the ground as you lunge forward, making sure your right knee doesn't pass your ankle. You can keep your hands on the ground or on your right knee. For those who don't feel much here, add more engagement. For those feeling too much, try to soften and relax. Again, really press through both feet for a strong foundation. One more breath in, then release your left hand down. Heel toe your right foot out and open your right hip, using your right hand to press away from your inner thigh. There is no need to go far, just enough for you to find a stretch. Try really pressing your pinky toe into the ground and lift your big toe up. This will help you open up your hips more. One more breath in, and exhale, release your right arm. Then inhale, open your right arm to the back, twisting throughout your spine. Deep breath in, and exhale, release your right arm back down. Use blocks if you need, placing them underneath your hands. Then walk your hands backwards, extending your right leg, flexing your right foot. Deep inhale to extend the spine, and exhale to fold over. Find a nice stretch all throughout the back side of your right leg. Keep your glutes and core engaged. Keep breathing. Inhale self-love and kindness. Exhale to let go and soften. One more breath in, and exhale, rebend your right knee and slide your right leg to the back. Come on down onto your belly and place your elbows underneath your shoulders. Keep your hands nice and firm on the ground, then slide your left knee up to a 90-degree angle and flex your left foot. And if you need, you can place a block or pillow below your belly for a little support. For a little more engagement, press the side of your flexed foot into the ground. If you're feeling a lot of pain at this angle, keep the block or pillow underneath you. Wherever you are, begin to straighten out your left leg as much as it feels okay for you. Find what feels good in your body, whether you keep your legs and your feet engaged. Maybe you just want to relax and find softness. That is up to you. The important part is that you're breathing and you're observing how this feels in your body. You can take breaks at times, rebending your left leg, maybe pulling your knee a little higher up, maybe taking out the bolster from underneath. If you're feeling comfortable, keep extending your left leg. You can use your toes to crawl up higher and higher, closer towards your face. Wherever you are, keep breathing. Be proud of yourself. You already did the hardest part, which is showing up. Slowly make your way all the way back, sliding your legs out to the side and then out behind you. Let's take it to the right side now. Slide your right knee up into a 90-degree angle and flex the foot. Keep your elbows underneath your shoulders and spread your fingers wide open. Breathing deeply here. For more engagement, press the side of your right foot into the ground. And when you're ready, extend your right leg out as much as it feels good in your body. And little by little, as your inner thighs get adjusted, you can crawl up higher and higher, sometimes bending your knee and pulling your knee up higher. Take whatever option you need. Is it relaxation or is it more engagement? Breathe through this stretch and be kind to yourself. One more breath in, wherever you are. Then slowly slide your leg back to center. Push yourself off the ground, sit back on your heels, rest your forehead down in child's pose. Find a relief in your lower back and your legs. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful job, guys. Slowly rise up and come to a seated posture. We have one more stretch routine before we close it off. Place the soles of your feet together. Walk your hands forward as much as it feels good for you. Feel free to sway side to side, relieving tension one side at a time. Then slowly walk back up. Open your left leg out to the side, flex the foot, and walk your hands forward again. Then take the deepest breath you've taken all day. Option to windshield wipe your left foot back and forth. Take one more breath in and release, switch out the legs. Flexing through your right foot, walk your hands forward. Feel the stretch in your inner thigh. Breathe into it. Notice how it's different compared to the other side. Go as much as you can breathe. Option to windshield wipe your right foot. One more breath in and breath out. Walk back up. Open up both legs out now, as wide as you can, and then walk your hands forward as much as you can. Use your exhales to soften and relax. And then after a couple breaths, try going deeper. Our hips tend to hold a lot of tension and store up a lot of emotion. Make sure to give yourself lots of grace and kindness. Let the emotions come and go. Let your thoughts come and go. Walk your hands up to sit on your sitting bones now. Take one final breath in and a breath out. Slowly close your legs together. Bring your knees into your chest and wrap your arms around. Rest your forehead on the knees or on your arms. Take this time to rest for a moment. Good job, guys. You made it till the end. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.